Alright, y'all, here's my single cylinder right here. It's not done gluing, or the glue's not done drying. You can see the crank bearings. I got bearings on all of the moving surfaces except for the sliding valve thing, but the connecting rod, the crank pin, and the actual crankshaft. Now, my last engine only had bearings on the crankshaft part, but now I've learned from my lessons. I also put like a little thing right there so I can easily lubricate that sliding valve right there. That's a big sliding valve. And this is 166 cc. I took the flywheel off my inline two and put it on here. This thing is crazy. This is basically two of my inline twos into one cylinder. Also, you can see that 2-to-1, or that, I don't know, it's just, I added 2 ports so the air can like fill in the cylinder like more efficiently. Diverse the air flow. Yeah, y'all, we don't have an exhaust on this thing. I know this thing will be super loud if I crank it up right now. Y'all, we have the single cylinder, the 166 cc single cylinder engine. Got the expansion chamber now. Let's hook it up to the air compressor. Alright, y'all, so here it is compared to the inline twin. These things are kind of identical. I took the flywheel off for this one and put it right there. And the muffler for this thing, look, it fits on the expansion chamber. Look. Same exhaust off the inline twin. So this thing is pretty identical to it. Let's see. Let's run it without the expansion chamber. Just this little thing right here. Alright, I don't have an engine stand for it, so how did this thing come out? Alright. I just think something's gonna blow up, so like being cautious. Alright, now let me add the expansion chamber without that exhaust. we got that. Oh, we got that purple muffler on. And we're about to see how it sounds. Almost had it. Alright. Well, that's that single cylinder. We now have to do something with this thing, so that's what's coming next with this.